to perform a bodyweight squat or a freehand squat, you should have a stance which should not be too wide or too short. Instead of that, have a stance which allows you to go maximum range of motion. See, for most people, a stance which is slightly wider than the shoulder width is comfortable when they do a squat. So while you do a squat, it's good if you can keep your toe slightly out and then sit. Yes. It would be ideal if the toe and the knee is matching the same line. Shiva. So while doing a squat, look ahead, shoulders retracted, back straight. You go down and then come straight up. So this is the front view. So this is the back view. Perfect. So one thing to keep in mind is while you do a squat, do not bounce at the bottom like this. Instead of that, do a slow, controlled and steady movement. You go down completely and then you come up slowly. Go down slowly and come up. Yes. And when you do a squat, always remember to lock out your knee and hip completely when you come up. That's it.